Playing it safe, understanding, on the safe side. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase that you might have heard in conversations, movies, or books. On the safe side. It's a phrase that's used quite frequently. But what does it actually mean? And how can you use it in your own conversations to sound more like a native speaker? Let's explore together and make sure you're fully equipped to use this phrase confidently. On the safe side is a phrase used to describe taking extra precautions or measures to avoid potential problems or dangers. It's about ensuring that there is a safety margin or buffer to prevent negative outcomes. Essentially, when someone decides to do something on the safe side, they are being cautious or conservative in their approach to avoid any possible risks. For example, if you're going on a hike and you pack extra water, just to be on the safe side, you're ensuring that you won't run out of water, even if the hike takes longer than expected. This action shows foresight and a desire to avoid the problem of dehydration. Now, let's look at how to incorporate "on the safe side" into your conversations. It's a versatile phrase that can be used in various contexts, from everyday decisions to more significant actions. 1. To suggest extra precautions. Let's leave an hour early, just to be on the safe side, so we don't miss our flight. 2. When giving advice, you might feel fine now, but take the medicine anyway, to be on the safe side. 3. To explain cautious behavior. I always carry an umbrella in my bag, just to be on the safe side. Notice that often, the phrase is used with "just" to emphasize the precautionary measure is extra or beyond what is strictly necessary. Understanding and using the phrase "on the safe side" is not just about expanding your vocabulary. It's about grasping a mindset that is very common in English-speaking cultures. It reflects a cautious approach to life, where people consider potential risks and take steps to avoid them. By using this phrase appropriately, you can communicate more effectively and relate better to those cultural values. We hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase "on the safe side." It's a handy phrase that can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Remember, learning a language is not just about words and grammar. It's also about understanding the cultural nuances that come with the phrases we use. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing to stay on the safe side of language learning.